Now that all of our mortise holes have been drilled, we can begin making our vertical connecting pieces between the short apron and lower support. We will need 2 pieces that are 9.5 inches long by 5 inches wide and 4 pieces that are 9.5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. Because these pieces are relatively small size, we should be able to find some of these pieces in our reusable waste lumber. I have found enough small pieces of reusable waste lumber that I can get 2 12 by 5 inch pieces and 4 12 by 1.5 inch pieces. Now I'm rough cutting these to a oversized measurement of 12 inches, even though my finished size is 9.5. Again, we're going to be sending these through the planer, and I don't like sending pieces under 12 inches through the planer. So that is why we're cutting these first to 12 inches, and then we'll come back later and bring them down to 9.5. The process for creating these pieces is the exact same as the process we have done for creating our previous pieces. First off, square up the end, cut to a rough measurement of 12 inches, joint one edge, rip your boards to 1/16 larger than the finished width measurement, and then carefully clean up the mill marked edge on the joiner. Plane them down to 1/2 inch. After planing all of our vertical support pieces, we need to cut them to a final length of 9.5 inches. And to do this, we will be using a stop block. Once finished, we have 2 vertical connector pieces that are 9.5 inches long by 5 inches wide by 1/2 inch thick, and we have 4 vertical connecting pieces that are 9.5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide by 1/2 inch thick.